In this video, you're going to create a shotgun using Blender in about 60 seconds. And the absolute best part of this video is that you can download and use this 3D model completely free right now, using the links in the description below. You are obviously going to need Blender if you don't have it already. Go and download it right now. It's free and open source. Now let's create a shotgun using Blender. First, you're going to need to find yourself a reference image of a shotgun. I chose this one and I'm going to import it into Blender. Then we are going to create a cylinder mesh with 8 vertices. To start making the barrel of the shotgun, we are going to need to make the cylinder mesh longer. Then we will duplicate the cylinder mesh and adjust the size to make the magazine tube. Then duplicate and adjust again to make the forestock. Now we can create a new cube mesh to start working on the actual base of the shotgun. Move the points where they need to be, add a loop cut to make the shape more accurate, then extrude the back face to create the stock, where we will need to adjust all the points and align everything correctly. Then add more loop cuts to make it just right. Now create a new cube mesh, and we can start working on making the trigger section. Extrude and manipulate the points into place, and it will turn out just fine. Then once that is done, we will inset the face at the end of the barrel, where the bullet will shoot out from, and extrude it inwards. Then we will create a few more loop cuts on the base of the shotgun, so that we can inset the face to create the ejection port. Now all we need to do is create the materials. A silverish looking material for the metallic parts of the shotgun, a brownish color for the forestock and grip, and a much darker brown color for the recoil pad at the back end. And congratulations, you've created a shotgun using Blender. Remember that you can download this shotgun 3D model for free right now, using the links below. And 99.9% of you are not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and seeing all of your positive feedback is pretty motivating. Let me know what I should make next by commenting down below. And check out some of the games I've made. Your feedback will help me make them better. Thanks for watching. See ya.